So I had a little bit of sand left over from doing some maintenance on the pool. It's piled in the middle of my driveway, and I'd like to remove it before winter comes. So I had this little knee wall that was starting to fall over. So there it is there. I thought I pushed record while I was tearing it down, but apparently not. So I'll grab a shovel here and I'll go get some sand, and we'll get it restanding. Now, I tore them down in order. The closest to the right-hand side are the top ones, then the middle ones, and the dirtiest ones for off the bottom there, just so I can put it back together real easy and quick. There are some in the driveway that were holding the tarp down that was covering the sand also. So I'll be getting those later. So I was just going to place some sand in there and make a level bed, but I decided not to and dig a little bit of this dirt out. So watching me dig the dirt out is not very exciting, so I'll put some music on. Spectators in the background. Okay, time to throw a little sand in, make a level bottom, and get these stones piled back in here. So back to the music. Suggestions on how to put this thing back together and make it work. I'm doing it my way. Okay, let's start putting these rocks back in, and we'll see how it goes. Hey, let's just make a little more room here. Here's 5 minutes for butt ending. a couple of trips to the driveway. I had a few stones out there. When I got the load of sand, I covered the sand with a tarp so the rain wouldn't wash it away. And I used the top 2 courses of these stones to hold the tarp down. So now's the time to retrieve them. Back to the music. Get a little sand for behind it. Hey, wait a minute. Did you see that stone move? Get back in there. Come on, get in there. Wait a minute, let's straighten this stone. Oh, didn't have my Wheaties this morning. Let's see if we can come up with something different. Let's try this shovel. In it goes. Give it a good push. There we go, that'll pry it up. No, I don't think so. Try this spot. No, not working too good. Oh, look at that. There goes my good Frisk shovel. Looks good on that angle anyway, so we'll just leave it there. Okay, so last wheelbarrow of sand. What I'll do is I'll throw it all underneath the asparagus in the garden.